back to Dinner Made Easy with Dina, and I'm Dina. Today we're going to be making some blueberry muffins, so I'm going to take you along and show you just how easy it is to pull those together. So let's get in the kitchen and get going. First thing we're going to do is prepare our muffin pan, and I just have a regular size muffin pan, and I'm going to put the little muffin liners in just to keep things simple. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to sift our dry ingredients together, and we're going to start off with 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to measure out those ingredients, and I'm using a 1/2 cup, so I'm going to put 4 of these in here. Okay, so there's our 4 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. And I always keep my sugar in a Ziploc bag inside the little sugar container. Just keeps it fresher. It keeps it from getting too many lumps. So there's 1, so that's a 1/2 cup. And I'm going to leave some of the sugar out because we really don't want that much sugar. So I'm going to put 1 and about 1/3 of a cup, just because we're watching our sugar. Now that's not going to take away from the flavor at all. You can go ahead and put the full amount in there if you'd like to. And you know what? Our muffins today are going to be blueberry, but if you don't like blueberry, use raspberries. Same deal. And you do exactly the same thing, except you're going to be using raspberries. Okay? Okay, so then I need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Two, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now that we have our dry ingredients all sifted together, we're going to go ahead and put our wet ingredients together. So we need 2 eggs, we need a 1/2 cup of melted butter. I have more than a 1/2 cup of melted butter, so I'm just going to measure it out. There we go. And that's going to go right in. And then we need a 1/2 cup of milk. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for some added flavor, I'm going to go in with a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon. Now this just kind of brightens up the taste and the flavor of those blueberry muffins. Go. Now we also are going to go in with some blueberries, and we're going to crush those blueberries up, but let's stir this together first. There we go. So we have that all stirred together. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to take 2/3 of a cup of blueberries, and we're going to mash those up a little bit before we add them in. This just kind of helps add some extra flavor. Whoops. To those blueberries. Okay. Now before we do that, there we go. We're going to start adding the flour into our wet ingredients. And we're going to go a little bit at a time. So that's about 1/3. And we want to stir that in. And then let's go ahead and put another 1/3 in there. I'm going to stir that in. And once we get this all stirred in, I'm going to go ahead with these blueberries. I'm going to add the mashed up blueberries in now and the rest of the flour. We're going to stir this all in. Try not to lose our flour as we do it. I'm famous for grabbing the smallest bowl in the house and trying to mix in it, so bear with me here. Once we get this combined, then we're going to add the rest of the blueberries. And oh, there's going to be a lot of blueberries in here. And like I said, you can use raspberries. Just do the exact same thing with your raspberries that you would do with your blueberries. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scrape my spoon off a little bit here. And then let's get the rest of those blueberries. I'm going to stir these in like 2 shots here, so I want to try not to mash these too much because, well, we already put some mashed ones in here, so I like to have some whole blueberries in here. And trust me, there's going to be a lot of blueberries. Lots of great flavor. Okay, let's go in with the rest of our blueberries. And you don't have to put this many blueberries in if you don't want, but I wanted. So I have about 3 cups of blueberries total in here. Okay, we're getting really close to putting these into our muffin pan. There we go. You don't want to over stir these, so just enough until this is all combined. And I'm going to get my scoop, and we're going to put these in our blueberry tin. Okay. Make sure they're all about the same size. Now you can use a larger muffin tin if you'd like. This just happens to be the size of muffin tins I have. So this is what I'm going with today. And you can also make the little mini ones if you like that. Or you could actually put this into a loaf pan and you could make a loaf pancake with this if you prefer. So I did preheat my oven on 400. And we're going to pop these in and see how well they turn out. Okay, so I put those blueberry muffins in the oven, and it should take 18 to 22 minutes, depending on how much I overfilled those muffins. So we'll just see how well those come out. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It doesn't cost you anything at all, and it helps my channel out a lot. I so appreciate it, and I thank you guys for your time watching the videos. So let me know how you like these, And if you do anything different with your blueberry muffins, I appreciate any and all comments. And if you have a recipe you'd like me to share, let me know about it. There we go. Let's close that oven. Don't those look delicious? These look so good, and they're extremely hot. So I need to let these cool for just a few minutes before we take one out and give it a try. Okay, here we are, guys. We're going to give this a try. They smell amazing, and they look even better than amazing. So let's cut into this. I might have got a little crazy with my blueberries, but oh, we love blueberries. Okay, so just peel that away a little bit, and let's slice right into it. Ooh, they're hot. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, I'd say they're loaded with blueberries. Now I have this leftover butter, and I'm just gonna brush a little butter on the top of these guys, and we're gonna give it a try. Those blueberries are so sweet. And just the little bit of lemon that I put in there, wow, really gave them a great flavor. They're super hot. But I'm telling you, this is a great way to use blueberries. So guys, it's perfect. It's blueberry season. Go out and get you some blueberries, get you some raspberries. Make some of these great muffins. What I'm going to do is, once they're cool, I'm going to pack some of these up and put them in the freezer so we can enjoy these later as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Really appreciate you. Bye now.